When is Mother's Day? Mother's Day is on the 9th of May, and as we all know, print-on-demand companies are notoriously slow at delivering products. So I wanted to make a video telling you which platforms you could sell your Mother's Day t-shirts on right now and still have a chance to deliver them to the customer. And I want to tell you exactly how long those companies take to deliver their products. At the beginning of April, I ordered 10 t-shirts from 10 different companies. And the reason for that was so I could do a comparison video on all the different qualities of the t-shirt and all that kind of stuff. I'm still waiting for them all to arrive. But the added benefit to that is I'm able to determine how long each company takes to ship out and deliver their products, because I've got a whole bunch of the t-shirts here. So I want to tell you exactly how long each company took, right? Not some estimated dates, but how long they took to deliver the products to my flat so that you can see how long they will take. And then we can decide, which companies can we sell Mother's Day t-shirts on, and at what point, what's the cutoff date, right? Is it the 5th of May? Is it the 4th of May? Is it the 1st of May? Let's find out. Now, I just want to quickly say, of course, I'm aware it's not exact every single time, right? It's not going to be the same. So because a company took 7 days to deliver to me this time, it doesn't mean it'll be 7 days every single time. So you have to factor that in. These are these are exact dates of how long they took for me, but you may, get them faster or get them a bit slower, but it's a good ballpark figure to know. And before I tell you those companies and how long they took, I also just want to say I did make a mistake on this channel. On the community section, I made a post that looked like this. It said I was waiting for a t-shirt from one more company, but after actually counting all the t-shirts and going through my spreadsheet, it looks like I'm actually waiting for a t-shirt from 3 companies. So yeah, I know I said 1 and I thought it was 1, and it's just really annoying that it's actually 3, and that video is going to have to wait even longer. But yeah, I just wanted to quickly clear that up, and now let's get right into it. I've got my phone here because this is where all the stats are. So the print-on-demand companies in question are Spring, and I got 2 from Spring. One from the cheap, the $10 one, and then the AS Color expensive one, just so I can compare the two. We've got Printful, Teechip, Printify, Amazon, Redbubble, TeePublic, and Threadless. Now, I've also got the dates. So here are the dates that I ordered the shirts. The Spring shirts I ordered both on the 31st of March. And don't worry, it's going to be on the screen here. Printful is 31st of March. Teechip is 31st of March. Printify, 31st of March. Amazon, the 6th of April. Redbubble, the 31st of March. TeePublic, the 1st of April. And Threadless is the 1st of April. Right, now let's talk about the dates they actually arrived, or if they even arrived. So Spring from AS Color and one from Teespring. The cheap Teespring one, or the Spring one, came on the 10th of April. The AS Color one, 23 days later, still hasn't arrived. Printful came on the 6th of April, being the fastest. Teechip the 7th of April. Printify, the tracking doesn't work. It hasn't arrived yet. 23 days later, I don't even know. Amazon was the 7th of April. I used my Amazon Prime, so I got it next day. Redbubble, 7th of April. TeePublic, 8th of April. And Threadless has not yet arrived 23 days later. So according to this test, most companies took 7 days. Printful took 6 days, which is pretty good. And Amazon obviously took the win at 1 day, but that's just because I have Prime. TeePublic took 8 days. And the cheap shirt on Teespring took 10 days. As for Printify, I used a specific UK printer so that it would come, faster, and I'm still waiting. 23 days. And for Spring's new partnership with AS Color, we all thought it was going to be so good, but no, I'm still waiting for that as well, 23 days later. And finally, Threadless, 23 days and nothing. So, as for Mother's Day, which is on the 9th of May, which company could you, list your t-shirt with? Well, these companies should hopefully deliver in time if you get sales from now, or at least up until the 1st of May, right? And that gives you a couple of extra days to play around with. With Amazon delivering the fastest, you could literally order up until the 8th of May, right? Well, if your customers have Prime, they can order up until the 8th of May. The other companies are Printful, Teechip, Amazon, Redbubble, and TeePublic. Those are the companies I would suggest uploading your shirt to. Now, when I say Printful, obviously you don't really upload to Printful, but you can upload to, third parties like Etsy and Amazon and eBay and WooCommerce and all these other platforms that Printful integrate with. Now, selling with these companies comes with some of their own complications. For example, if you want to sell on Amazon, you actually have to be accepted. Sometimes using Printful, you have to send your own traffic unless you're using something like Etsy or eBay. So yes, these platforms are ideal, to list your Mother's Day t-shirts, but nothing's guaranteed. Now, this is a great opportunity for you to get out of a no sales rut, or maybe you're getting a few sales and you want more. This is a great opportunity. You can, if you do have merch by Amazon, you could move up tiers. You can just, it's brilliant. With Etsy, you can move up the listing. Basically what I'm saying is don't let this slide. Don't let Mother's Day slide, right? Try and upload as many t-shirts as you possibly can for Mother's Day. And then as soon as Mother's Day is over, what have you got next? Father's Day. Father's Day is the 20th of June, so I know it's a bit premature to start uploading t-shirts for that, but there is nothing wrong with being a bit early. It's better to be early than it is to be late, especially with print on demand. I hope this video helped, and most importantly, I hope this helped you understand which companies deliver the fastest. I'm not saying those companies are the best by any means, right? They could still have customer service problems, pricing problems, all those kind of things, but they delivered these test shirts the fastest. And in terms of my comparison video, like I said, I've got all the t-shirts, I've got most of the t-shirts here. I'm really hoping to bring that video out really soon. I just have to wait for those 3 companies. So I have a quick question for everyone. At what point should I just stop waiting for those companies and not include them in this test, right? At what point should I just use what I've been sent, right, and make a video about those rather than wait for these 3 extra t-shirts? Let me know in the comments down below, and I'm really looking forward to making that video. So hopefully I will see you on Sunday. I'm probably gonna skip Saturday's video, but hopefully I'll see you on Sunday. And good luck with selling Mother's Day t-shirts. I mean, that's what we want at the end of the day, to sell more Mother's Day t-shirts. So good luck with that too.